When you're all in the same classroom, student interaction is pretty easy to plan. But when you're in a remote teaching situation, like a lot of us are now, student interaction can be a little bit more challenging. So we're going to take a look at the website Flipgrid as a way to add teacher and student interaction for elementary students. Flipgrid is a website that allows teachers and students to record and view videos. As the teacher, you can ask a prompt, and students can respond using video. These responses can be viewed by anyone that you give permission to, and if you enable it, students can even respond to their peers. So let's take a look at how to set up Flipgrid. The first step is to set up an account at flipgrid.com. Next, you'll want to set up your grid. A grid is like a classroom or a meeting space. Inside each grid are topics or questions that you can ask students to respond to. The first thing you'll have to do is to set up your first grid. There's a few different ways that you can configure your grid. Remember, this is for elementary students, so I'd recommend choosing the option that says Student ID. But you may want to explore the student email option as well. I just find that this option is a little bit more accessible for younger students. I find that it's helpful to keep the name of your grid and the class code as consistent as possible. Now we'll want to add our students. You can do this manually or upload a spreadsheet. I'm going to use my student numbers, but the student ID can be anything that you assign. Now our grid is ready. Let's set up our first question or topic. By default, there's a preloaded topic. If you don't want it there, just select Hidden, and it won't be visible. Start by clicking New Topic. Give your topic a title. Set the maximum length for each video response, and then add some directions. If you'd like, you can even record a video to introduce your prompt. Choosing more options at the bottom will give you several other controls that you can use to customize your grid. Once you're done, choose Create Topic. Now I want to share my topic or question. You can copy the link and then paste that link into an email or learning management system. Now here's what students see. After entering their code, they'll be taken directly to my topic. They can listen to the text through the immersive reader, watch the video that I created, and when they're ready, clicking the green button will allow them to automatically record a video. When they're finished, their video will immediately show up in the topic. Students can watch these videos and add a video response to classmates as well. The end result is an online community where you can record and listen to videos from teachers, students, and, if you choose, maybe even families. So let's summarize. Flipgrid is a website that allows teachers, students, and parents to record videos in response to a specific prompt. A grid is a virtual classroom that contains a number of topics or questions. Each topic contains a number of student responses. Once you create a grid, there's several ways to give students access, but I recommend Student ID for elementary students. After you add your students, your topic, you're then ready to share. Remember, you can share either the link to the overall grid or a link to an individual topic. If you can't physically be able to interact with your students, a tool like Flipgrid may be the next best thing for remote learning.